creative friends. Today, we're going to explore a colorful world by drawing a wonderful staircase. Start by drawing 2 parallel lines at the top of the picture. This is the support for the stairs. Next, draw 2 slanted lines downwards from the top, starting from the ends of the lines you just drew. These lines will form the left leg of the staircase, sturdy and parallel to each other. Repeat the above step to draw 2 more slanted lines downwards on the right side. These lines will form the other leg of the staircase, ensuring the stairs are balanced and stable. Draw many horizontal lines parallel to each other, connecting the 2 legs of the staircase. Now let's color the stairs to make them colorful and lively. Blue, yellow, green, pink, red, orange, purple, blue, green, pink, red, that's it. You have completed a bright and cute staircase. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss other interesting drawing videos.